This video will teach about analyzing directly indicated components in the pie chart. There are many different ways to indicate the value of components in a pie chart. They are: 1. Direct. All component values are directly indicated in a pie chart. 2. Fractions. Here each of the components is indicated by fractions in the pie chart. 3. Percentages, where each of the components is indicated by a percentage. 4. Central angles. That means each of the components is indicated by the central angle. 5. Sectors, where the components are indicated by sectors. Now, let's learn about directly indicated component values. In the first category, if all values of the components are directly indicated in the pie chart, then we can compare all parts and can find big and small components. Total value can be found. The value of each component can be found. We can find the fraction of each component, percentage of each component, central angle of each component. Look at this pie chart. This pie chart represents the number of each color car in a parking area. Here, the value of the components is the number of cars based on color. Since the number of cars is indicated directly, we can easily manipulate data from this pie chart. First, let us compare and find the big and small components. Here, the color of the most number of cars is white. That is, 8 cars. The color of the least number of cars is red and green, which are 2 cars. Next, let's find the total value. From the pie chart, we can find the total value. That is, the total number of cars, which equals the number of red cars, plus blue cars, plus green cars, plus white cars. That is, 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8, which equals 16. And let's find a fraction of a component. Here we consider only the component, blue cars, for the rest of the calculation. Let us find the fraction of blue cars. The number of blue cars is 4. The total number of cars is 16. Thus, the fraction of blue cars in the pie chart is the number of blue cars by total cars. That is 4 by 16, that is 1 by 4. Next, let's find the percentage of blue cars. The percentage can be easily calculated by multiplying the fraction of the component by 100 and adding the percentage symbol. We have found the fraction of the blue cars is 1 by 4. That is, the percentage of the blue cars is 1 by 4 into 100, which is 25%. Next, let's find the central angle of blue cars. We know the formula to calculate the central angle, that is, the component's value by total value, into 360 degrees. Here, the value of blue cars is 4, divided by the total value of 16, into 360 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, we can find the above values for each component. This is how we analyze the data of the components when their values are directly given in the pie chart.